Well, here we are at the first hole of the baseball field, which is no longer a baseball field. And the park's over where the trees are. And I haven't even got started good in that. And you see there is the big Caterpillar 336E excavator. And I would imagine about tomorrow that's going to be going down, whatever they're doing. Anyway, all of that out there, I know had to have been built up for the baseball field. The stands were right in here. I don't know what all the flags are marking. Don't know, don't care. Concession stand was there. You went in right there. You could still tell where the diamond was. I had another little short video where I was over there one day. I found some just regular clad pennies and stuff in that area. So you're going to be digging about 20 pull tabs per coin, I bet. I'll probably go over there though. It's a matter of time. Well, looky, looky. Yeah. It's been in the ground for a little while, but you can see it's just a zinc penny. Not very old at all. But I literally walked like, there's my vehicle right there. Alright, me and old Super Garrett Ace 400 fixing to tear this park up, dog. Hang on, buckle your chin straps and your jock straps if you got them. If not, you better hang on to something.